Hey guys, I am super pumped. I've got my new pickleball paddle set from Deerfamy. We're walking into the physical therapy clinic and I'm gonna unbox it right now. Hey guys, so now let's get into this Deerfamy package. Let's see what this pickleball set is like. So it comes with this carrying case. Comes with a ton of stuff. All right, so we have 4 of these microfiber cloths. We have, of course, 4 pickleballs that the set comes with. We've got 4 color-coded paddles for 2 teams of 2. And we have a sponge for cleaning up the tears for the people that we beat out on the pickleball courts. So let's unpack all of this and see what it's like. Now, if you guys don't know me, my name's Tony Maritato. I'm a physical therapist. I'm also a father to 4 young boys. My boys and I love playing pickleball through the summer. So these paddles from Deerfamy, they are wooden paddles. They're beautifully designed. They've got a great surface, comfortable grip, comfortable handle. So it's a comfortable, nice, large, sweet spot right in the middle of the paddle. I've used wooden paddles before. What I like about them is the affordability and the durability. The grip has a little bit of give to it, which is great. It's also not too large. So what I'll do is I'll take these home today. I'll grab my kids, we'll get outside, we'll hit the ball around a little bit and see how they perform.